Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something really different to anything I've ever put on this channel before. It's something that I'm so passionate about and something that I would like to help educate people all about. So my friend has suffered from CF, which is cystic fibrosis, her whole life. And at the beginning, well, the end of last year, she got really ill and we almost lost her. And she's been in recovery ever since. For about 2 months now, she's been saying that she wants to climb the O2, and every year she sets herself a challenge. And this year, that was her challenge. She wanted to recover enough to be able to climb the O2, and the doctors were also skeptical, not sure that she could do it, but they finally gave her the go-ahead. And I've partnered with the team at the O2 and they are having us all there for the evening to climb up. It's going to be my friend with cystic fibrosis and 5 of her friends, including myself, and we're all going to climb it. And yeah, I just want to shine a light on cystic fibrosis. It's something that's really close to me and close to someone that I love. And yeah, I'm going to introduce you to her when I see her at the O2. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm like really nervous, emotional and excited. And yeah, we've actually set up a GoFundMe page for her because she's actually in need of a double lung and a liver transplant, and there's chances that she might not get a lung in time in the UK, so we might have to send her to the USA. So we're trying to raise enough funds to have that there as a security blanket if the need comes. But we're adamant that if that money does not get spent on it, and if she does go through with the NHS, that money will be transferred to the hospitals that have helped her. So if you guys would like to donate, the link is down below, obviously. And yeah, I'm just going to head out now and go and introduce you guys to her.
Say, go, Lisa, go! Go, Lisa, go! Go, Lisa, go!
This is Zif, everyone.
We're ready to go! We have, how long have we got? We've got like 5 minutes until, 4 minutes! 4 minutes till it's time!
Oh, we're so excited.
3 minutes, okay.
Time's going down.
So, slightly nervous, slightly scared, don't really know how I feel, but we're gonna do this!
Woo!
My girls, I got my girls.
Let's do it! Put those shoes on, girl.
I mean, they're just beautiful. They're just so neat.
I haven't changed yet. Ready? Oh, there you are, Jay.
Actually, they are really
Woo!
It's good for them to know, obviously. Just having oxygen issues. Sort it out for them.
Almost ready.
We're ready.
Ooh, we've got
Packs in my bag.
We're ready.
The door that says push to exit.
That one.
And push it on. There we go.
Girl. Is everyone ready to climb? Woo! We're not allowed cameras while we're actually climbing up there, so we will see you guys when we're up there again. But for now, we're trying to get Zif to climb the stairs. She struggles with stairs, so Jay's trying to get her on a picture.
Why don't you carry her like that?
Yes, we do.
Like lie down, you want to do that. Let me hold her legs. Like she's lying down. Look like this. Like this. Why don't you do that? Why don't you go? Love you. Love you all.
We did it! And it's it!
You did it! You did it! I did it! I did
Oh,
it!
thank you.
Woo! Yeah, it's really nice view. We finally got here after a few stops. Yeah, but it was the first bit that was harder. Now we're at the top now, girl. We made it! Yeah, we're at the top. Yeah.
I'm getting
We only say
emotional.
thank you all from the bottom of our hearts for all the donations. It really means a lot to us. And we did it, we did it, we did it! There's more challenges to come!
She wants to jump out of the plane.
Yeah, that,
We're not doing that.
maybe in a few.
Could do it on anyway.
We do a few challenges for that.
Well done, Jules! Well done, girls! Well done.
We did it! We did it!
We did
We did it! Group hug! Yes! Yes! We did it!
She did it!
Yeah.
Sif, we did it!
I wouldn't feel like doing that, you too!
We love you too. Thank you.
She's like, oh, it's a walk in the park. Thank you. Thank you. There's a W. Cheers.
Sophie!
Thank you for coming and supporting us. Right. Come on, now, pushing me. We did it!
We did it. How are we all feeling?
I should feel alright. I think I'm going to feel it tomorrow.
Yeah, did
I
you
think
enjoy
it's
it?
adrenaline rush. Yeah, it was really good.
Don't get drunk.
Yeah, don't get drunk.
Cocktails.
No, you did so well, Zef.
Thank you. At the beginning, because it's so steep. It was really steep at the beginning. But it got a bit easier. But yeah, I'm glad. I just thought I was going to cry, so.
Oh, well, we got really emotional at the top, to be honest. As you guys can see, it was quite an emotional day. It was amazing, honestly. To see her do that was just incredible. 6-7 months ago, it is something that she could not have even imagined doing. So it was amazing watching her do it. I feel so emotional, but we've got these cute t-shirts that we are considering selling. If anyone would like to purchase one, please do let us know and we will get the ball rolling on that. As mentioned earlier, we still do have the GoFundMe page open and we'll be collecting money until she needs it. And if anyone would like to donate, please click the link below and donate. Any amount counts and it all adds up to one big lump sum. Thank you to everyone who has already donated. Thank you to everyone who came today and supported Zif and all of us. And yeah, we're so thankful, so grateful. And yeah, it's been a very, very emotional day, but it was just an incredible day. And I thank you all for watching. I hope this has shone a light a little bit more on cystic fibrosis. And I want to say thank you to the guys up at the O2. They were incredible from start to finish. They honestly, so helpful, so calming, so gentle, and they were there for us 100% of the way, and they really, really helped Ziffy, and they were happy for us to go at a slow pace, which is what she needed to do. So thank you guys for that, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.